First date. Fashion what to wear. A first date is always an exciting event, and choosing the right outfit can significantly impact your confidence and overall impression. Here are some tips on what to wear to make a great first impression. Comfort is key. Choose clothes that fit well. Ensure your outfit is comfortable and flattering. Avoid anything too tight or loose. Consider the weather. Dress appropriately for the temperature and season. A comfortable outfit will help you feel at ease. Reflect your personality. Wear something that feels like you. Your outfit should reflect your personal style. Don't try to be someone you're not. Show off your personality. Let your clothes express your unique qualities. Whether you're bold, classic, or quirky, let it shine through. Dress for the occasion. Consider the venue. Your outfit should be appropriate for the location of your date. A casual outfit for a coffee shop might not be suitable for a fancy dinner. Dress to impress. If you're unsure, it's always better to err on the side of formality. A well-dressed outfit can make you feel more confident. Pay attention to details. Accessorize wisely. A few well-chosen accessories can elevate your outfit. Avoid overwhelming yourself with too many accessories. Grooming matters. Make sure your hair, nails, and makeup are well groomed. A polished appearance will make a positive impression. Confidence is key. Wear what makes you feel good. The most important thing is to feel confident in your outfit. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. Here are some outfit ideas based on different date types. Casual date. Jeans, a nice shirt, and comfortable shoes. Dinner date. Dress pants or a skirt, a blouse or dress, and heels or dress shoes. Outdoor date. Comfortable clothes like a dress, shorts, or a casual outfit with sneakers or sandals. Remember, the key to a great first date outfit is to feel confident and comfortable. When you're happy with your appearance, it will show in your demeanor and attitude.